Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose flexible dates on Google Flights. Being flexible can help you save a lot of money, and Google Flights makes this super easy. First, open your browser and go to Google Flights. You can do this by typing google.com/travel/flights into the search bar. This will take you to the Google Flights homepage. Next, sign in with your Google account if you'd like. This isn't required, but it allows you to save searches and get prices. Enter your departure city and your destination. If you're not sure where to go, Google Flights will even show you popular and affordable destinations. Now, let's look at the dates. Click on the date selector, and instead of just picking exact dates, you'll see a calendar view with flight prices listed under each day. Here's the trick. The more flexible you are, the better your chances of finding a cheaper flight. For example, if you're open to leaving a day earlier or coming back a day later, you might save a significant amount. If you want even more flexibility, select the flexible dates option. Here you can search by weekend, 1 week trip, or 2 week trip within a certain month. Google will then show you the cheapest combinations automatically. Once you've found dates that work best for your budget and schedule, just click Done. And Google Flights will refresh the search with your flexible choices applied. And that's it. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of Google Flights flexible date feature and score some amazing travel deals. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.